Flat bench dumbbell fly. This is an isolation exercise of the chest muscle which make the chest wide and give a good shape to the chest. To do this, lean on a flat bench holding a lightweight dumbbell in both hands and hold the dumbbell above the chest facing each other. Bending the elbow, slowly lower the dumbbell down into a fly position until your chest muscle are well stretched, and then together press the dumbbell upward, maintaining the same form, and do 4 sets and 12 to 16 repetitions. Dumbbell pullover. It reduces the fat of your lower chest to give a good shape to the entire chest muscle. To do this, lean down straight on a flat bench and hold the dumbbell above your chest with both hands. Keeping the hands straight and the elbow slightly bended, slowly lower the dumbbell from behind the head, stretch the lower chest, and then bringing the dumbbell upward to the starting position. You can do 4 sets of this and 10 to 12 repetitions in each set. Machine chest press. Adjust the seat of the machine according to your height and select the weight. Sit on the machine with the back supported and hold the handle of the machine with an overhead grip. Squeeze the chest muscle, press the handle forward until your entire arms is straight, and then slowly bringing the handle back to the starting position and stretch the chest muscle. If you are a beginner, then this is a very good exercise for you. Do 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions in each set. Incline bench dumbbell press. This make your upper chest muscle bigger and stronger fast. Sit on an incline bench and 30 to 45 degrees angle and lean down on a bench and holding a dumbbell in both hands. Holding the dumbbell above the chest, keeping the arms straight. Lower the dumbbell to the side of your chest, keeping the elbow just below shoulder level while squeezing the upper chest. Press the dumbbell upward to the starting position. For this, do 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions in each set and increase the weight. Flat bench barbell press. This is a compound exercise of the chest muscle which work on the chest muscle as well as the tricep and shoulder muscle. Lean on a flat bench and holding the barbell above your chest with the grip wider than shoulder width. Then slowly lower the barbell down toward your middle chest and then press the barbell upward to the starting position and squeeze the chest muscle. You can do this with the dumbbell or Smith machine. Do 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions and take a 1 minute rest after each set. Highest to low cable fly. It stretch the chest muscle mostly, make your chest wider and isolate. Stand in the middle of the cross cable machine and attach the D handle on the upper lock of the machine and hold the handle with both hands. Lean forward slightly and bring in your hand down and together in front of your body, bending your elbow slightly. Then slowly stretch the chest muscle by taking the handle to the fly position. Using a light weight, do 4 sets of these and 12 to 16 repetitions.